Hi guys, I'm making this video today. Hopefully I can help somebody save $60-70. I think it's an easy fix. What it is, my kid tell me plug in to the charger, orange light will turn on once and turn off, and then when you press the turn on button here, no blue light, no nothing. And I examine it closely and I see there is like some type of water stain here dripping, and also inside on the Joy-Con here, so I believe it's leaked through. And based on my experience with this stuff, I guess it's just an easy cleanup job. I think there should be some corrosion between the connector there, so let's open it and see what's going on. All right. Real easy. Open that up. There should be 2 screws down the bottom there, and I believe there should be 2 screws up top here too. So let's just open it up and see what's going on. This up here is a little bit tricky. Just have to try to pry it out. You know, sometimes it's real easy to get out, and sometimes it's just pain in the butt. So do watch out on that. Be careful. And there should be 1 screw here and 1 screw here. All right. And I believe there's 2 clips right here. Hopefully you guys can see it from the video there. Just simple. Pry it out, pop it out. Give it a little bit push. Should be fine. Be careful of the battery. I guess from here you could change the battery if whoever needs to change the battery. Just that simple. Get another one online, plug it back in, put everything back, and you're done. All right, but that is not our thing today, so let's continue. There should be 1 screw right here to take that out. And be careful on this part because it's just a flex, and if you know, usually it's very tightened to it, so be careful when you open it up. Make sure it's not in the way, because otherwise you'll rip the flex. All right. You can leave it on for now, I guess. And this one just unplug. These are just pull out. There's no clip, no nothing. So just take your hand, use some force, take it out. All right. That should be good. Good. As you see there's some type of stain. There, corroded, whatever it is. So the best thing to do is get some alcohol with some Q-tip and just wipe it off. Just wipe it off with that. Clean it off. And also clean on this side too, okay? Just to play it safe. As you see how dirty it is, so there must be some on it. Not too worried on what on it or not on it. Just get it out of the way. And that's that. It's that simple. Is this flex thing right here was corroded, so just need to clean that up. And let's put everything back the way it is, just I guess in the backward order that you take it out from. Do remember these flex cable down here, it's just pain. Sometimes you put everything back and you forget one thing and you have to retake everything apart, so just be careful on that. Save you some time. I think they're all same size screw. Alright, let's test it. I think this should be good enough for it to kind of test it, see if it works. Hopefully it does, and I think it should. I don't see why not, so let's see. Blue light. There you go. I guess now we just have to put everything back the way we open it from, and it should be fine. Easy fix. Not too bad. Common stuff. I know a lot of places don't fix these because they're so cheap to get a new one, but this, as you see, it's just something simple, and I think everybody could do it at home. So save yourself some money. Hopefully this video will help, yeah, best of luck out there, I guess. And if you like this video, please share, subscribe, I guess. Anything help, so thank you. That's that. While we're at it, let's clean up these spots. Look a little bit decent. Just in case next time it happens, there will be some new mark on it. Easier for troubleshooting, right? Put it back the way to open it. Same order, I guess. Not too bad. Blue light, yep. Alright guys, again, thank you for watching. Hopefully, hope this video will help. I know a lot of kids out there or whoever needed this, just a simple fix. Save yourself some money, and again, If you like the video, please share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.